teachers, Lloyd. We are on a very tight budget. This doesn't come out of our travel fund. Oh. You know, I was able to raise 25 extra bucks before we left. Where did you get 25 extra bucks? I sold some stuff to Billy and 4C. The blind kid? Yeah. What did you sell him, Lloyd? What kind of stuff? A few baseball cards, samples. Petey? Petey? You sold my dead bird to a blind kid? Lloyd!